Hi guys, so we're gonna make a simple Lego butterfly knife. So you should have these two parts, and yeah, go. So what you're gonna need is this piece. So 5-hole piece. Okay. And then it didn't work this over. You know what? Right, so you put these 3 holes into different spots. You put this one into that hole. And we put this one over here. The last one you put it in the middle. Alright, so you want to grab this. It has any kind of hole you can use, and you put it on the side. Any side you want. Then you grab these 2. You see these little holes on the back? You can put them in the butterfly knife. This one, and you do the same with it too. And it gets to be on the tippity top. Rinse waction, and it's a butterfly knife. It breaks off sometimes, so just attach it back on. But yeah, you'll get the idea. See ya! Bye!